Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you some information about the virtual labs and we are going to perform half adder experiment. So just go to Google and type vlab.co.in vlab.co.in. So here we are getting the virtual labs. So this virtual labs is an initiative of Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So by using this we can perform here some lab experiments virtually. So here they are giving the all broader areas of virtual labs, electronics and communication. Click on. So here we are having the different labs: fading channels and mobile communication lab, advanced network theory virtual lab, analog signals network and measurement lab, digital logic design lab, and so on. So here I want to perform the experiment of half adder circuit. So I am going through the hybrid electronics lab. So here they are giving the quick introduction. So in this lab, analog and digital techniques are demonstrated. We will simulate code converter, counters, registers, ALU, decoder, encoder, mux and demux, converters and many more. So here if you click on the list of experiment, so we are having the different experiments: design and implementation of various arithmetic circuits, design and simulate various code converters, design and simulation of various counters and shift registers, design and simulation of arithmetic logic circuits, and so on. So we have to perform the experiment of half adder circuit. So I am going for the first experiment: design and implementation of various arithmetic circuits. So here design and implementation of various arithmetic circuit, this is the theory. So what is binary adder and subtractor? So how many binary adders we are having and how many binary subtractors we are having, all this information they given under the theory. So what is half adder? Half adder is a circuit which is used to add two numbers. And what is the sum and carry expression for the half adder? So for example, the half adder has the 2 bits. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So for 2 bits we are having the 4 combinations. So 0 plus 0, the sum is 0. The half adder is having 2 inputs and 2 outputs. 0 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. 1 plus 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So if you take the expression for the carry, so here only you are getting 1. So the expression is xy. If you take the expression for the sum, so whenever x is 0 and y is 1, that means x bar y plus xy bar. So the sum expression is x bar y plus xy bar and the carry expression is xy, and so on. Here you are having full adder circuit, full subtractor circuit and various binary adder and subtractor circuit. So first we will do the half adder experiment. So here we are having so many things. The pre-test is also there. So you can attempt the test also. 2's complement of this number, binary number representation of the decimal number, and so on. So directly we are going for the, so this is the theory, simulation, procedure, audio video, post test, downloads, conclusion, and so on. So directly we are going for the simulator. So click here for simulator. So it will open the window like this. So this is the half adder circuit. So initially when A and B are 0, the carry is 0 and sum is 0. For example, A is 0 and B is 1. So just click here, B is on and run. So you are getting the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. For example, A is 1 and B is 0. So click on this, B is 0 and A is 1 and run. So in this case also, the sum is 1 and the carry is 0. And if both are 1, run. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. So like this we are having many experiments. So full adder, 2 2-bit adder, 4-bit adder and subtractor. So thank you.